So, hey guys, we are back with another video, and this time I actually say we are back with another video because we got another YouTuber over here. Starting off, YouTuber Angela Rodriguez. You can check her out on YouTube. And we have Craig Gonzalez over there. The reason we have this video is so that we have some really fun questions that we'll be asking each other, and the responses hopefully will be even more controversial and fun.
Sorry.
So, this is how the video is going to work. It is based on the premise that awkward questions you would want to ask the opposite sex. So, the awkward questions guys would want to ask girls, and the awkward questions girls would want to ask guys, but they don't have the guts to ask. So
Balls.
they, yeah.
Do it again. What's with guys and sending unsolicited dick pics
What's
or
that?
just random nudes?
What's that?
Matlab, without a
Dick pics
girl
on-
asking you, you're just like,
Those are creeps, dude. Those are creeps.
Have you sent?
No. What? No.
No, I'm
What?
just-
Don't look at me like I said to you.
huh?
Have
Hey,
you
those-
received any from anyone?
Yeah.
Those are creeps, dude.
I'm not sent, but
Turkey.
I have seen it on some girls' phone. In college, I attended lecture and she opened a Snapchat and boom.
Dude, it happened twice and I was like,
Yeah, but I don't think I would send. Like,
I think girls should just block those people who send
Yeah.
pictures without asking.
it's not. The problem is it's not even hot because yeah, I know that's the only instrument we have.
Yeah.
You know, to have sex, but it's not even like hot. Like I don't think a girl looks at it and goes like, you know.
no, especially when it's like unasked for. Imagine like a girl just randomly getting it and she's like getting out of the washroom or getting off of work and she just sees it, she's like,
Chocoba.
But even then, I don't think a girl would react to it. Right? If you see.
No, we just like,
No, but so if it comes, it's not going to arouse it. Even if
Obviously
it's
not.
even if it's from a person you know and you probably will, that's not going to do anything.
can you stop? Creep. Do guys prefer girls who are sexually experienced more than the ones who are not experienced?
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
I would prefer someone who's
Yeah.
more experienced.
They show you the path then.
Show you the path.
Okay.
The path to only because I think she'll be less.
Complain.
Not even complaining, it's also that she knows what works, what doesn't work for her.
Yeah.
And then she'll be like, do this, it works 100%.
Yeah.
And then you do exactly
The
that,
bad
and then
thing,
you
yeah.
have others. I'm not saying that someone new wouldn't have that, but someone new you would have, you figure it out. But some people like that. Some people like to grow together. Some people
Okay,
are like,
I have a like extra question to this. Like, do you all does body count matter to you all?
body count.
Body
And
count, no.
body count is the
No.
number of people the girl
Yes,
has
yes.
had sex
To
with.
me, it doesn't matter. But if I find out that it was while I was with a person, then it puts a really bad shadow on the whole.
Yeah, you just
thought
feel
process.
bad. It's okay. Get over it.
Okay. Do guys think about their exes while they're with their partners, current partners?
Sometimes.
Huh?
Maybe, maybe not. Depends on how much you love the person.
So what situation?
Do you think about your ex while you're
I
with
know.
your
Depends if you still have feelings for your exes.
Yeah, I think I would, if the question is do you think about your ex, I would think, because
Yeah.
I would make comparisons.
Yeah.
Good comparisons, bad comparisons, and definitely the fact that that person is your ex, that means you took some learnings from that, at least I have.
Everyone
So
does.
you think about it.
What really happens during a boys' night?
Bitching about chicks.
That and then saying,
Yeah, and
I think it's also like,
We
the
just have
conversation always starts
Yeah.
like, bro, you know what happened, this is how it happened.
Yeah, actually.
So you're like boast about what's happened with.
If you just got into a new relationship, probably you'll be bragging about it.
Yeah.
If you're
Oh,
What
like,
if
you
you're
know-
in a relationship for a long time?
then you would be like,
She's nagging me.
yeah, and I'm
Bro,
using
this
so long.
relationship is so stressful, man. I can't take it anymore.
Yeah.
Why is it so hard for men to listen properly and understand what we mean?
Great, you go for it.
It's not difficult to understand actually.
Just don't
Depends on the girl. Actually, the way she explains it. Some girls just are like moody and I don't know.
I think I would, I don't know, like I do have the problem. There's my partner would say that you don't listen, you don't understand, but it's probably because
We don't react to it properly.
us, yeah, like sometimes the other person, at least the girls around, they're coming from a very emotional point of view, and I'm coming from a practical point of view. So then obviously you're gonna have a difference of opinion. So then it gets dubbed as you're not listening.
Yeah.
The fact is you're just saying that, oh, you know what, this is a better way of doing it. It's faster, it's cheaper, it's you will get to spend more time at the place.
Oh, damn it, it is what happens.
No, I'm talking from experience, so I know that shit. Like,
Shut up. Just shut up.
so I think that's why. But yeah, I do have a problem with this thing. Especially because all of the girls my age are more mature than I am. So.
You sure?
Yeah, the girls my age are more mature than obviously. Women mature faster.
Yeah.
And because they mature faster emotionally too, it means they are 2 steps ahead.
Why don't you guys share your feelings?
We do what? We do.
But-
If we are comfortable with the person, obviously we'll share.
So what is that the only criteria?
No.
Then what is that?
I mean, what to say now? I don't know what to say.
Should I ask the question again?
Yeah, actually,
Okay. Why don't you guys share your feelings?
we do share. It's not like we don't. We do share. I mean,
But is it actually what it means?
we share more than I think girls also. Like girls take time to open up, but we guys, if we are comfortable with someone, we like open up very soon.
I don't know, that's it. But I don't. Maybe I have levels, so maybe I open up to
Yeah,
this
sure.
level, but then below that, I don't think people do know what's happening.
Yeah, I mean, if you know that person well,
So I don't
feel like-
open up probably because again I would think that the other person would judge the situation,
Yeah.
and
Nowadays people are
even
very
if you're
judgmental.
sharing with a guy, I think the other guy would judge you. If you're sharing with a girl, I think sometimes
They don't.
So like before
They
you
would.
say something, like you think what the other person will think
would
of
think
it.
about it. Like if I said that, if I had to share, like okay, bro, I was crying last night all night. If I tell a guy, he's going to
Like,
Judge.
what is
Yeah,
wrong?
bro, you're crying.
yeah, why are
You're
you crying?
crying.
And then if you tell a girl, it'll be like, but why were you crying? And what is the problem?
No.
You can open up to it.
I don't know. I don't think.
Okay, so like I feel, I'm not sure, but is it like easier for you all to like your sensitive side is easier to open up with girls because they won't judge you for crying more than guys? will?
Yeah.
Kind of, yeah.
But sometimes you can be more unfiltered with guys, and you have to
Yeah.
be filtered with girls.
You can't talk shit. to
You can't
girls.
talk shit. If I have to narrate the same story to a guy,
You have to filter it.
no, to a guy, I will just know and say, this is what
To a
happened.
girl, you
this
have to
is-
filter it.
These are the facts and this is how it is. And then he can take a call. But if I would tell a girl, then there are certain things that I have to, keep out of it. Because then it's where some things might come out too loud.
Yeah.
Exactly what would come out to loud? Like the emotional part
Not
of
the
it or
emotional. The
the-
emotional part's fine. I'm
Yeah.
saying the description.
Yeah.
Like you can be extremely like brash with your words. I don't know. It makes sense, but I'm
Yeah,
not even saying abusive.
some
but I'm
girls
saying-
like don't like it when you abuse too much.
Yeah, like if you see guys fighting, you're like, what the F,
Yeah.
what the, and they're all about that. But you can't do that with a girl. You can
You
you see?
can say whatever you want to leave it.
Editing.
Pain.
questions.
Sit here.
Sit down.
Asking random questions you have to
Sit here,
answer.
sit here.
And as people come in, they'll just keep getting added to the video. Soon you have a French couch there.
Yeah.
You can play the French track also. If it
Okay,
doesn't
I'll
get out.
ask the same thing again. The-
Ask.
Yeah.
So that
Okay, what's a major turn off for you guys?
then you go.
Me?
Anything, huh? Dirty,
Yeah.
sexual.
Sexual also?
Yeah. Be open out there. Just be open.
When you see hair. No, I don't know where.
That rhymed.
Okay.
But specific, obviously.
Yeah.
Body hair.
Sort of filter it.
Body hair.
Body
and
You're not clean. No,
when you're not
hygiene.
clean, yeah, you're not clean.
Hygiene. Okay.
Yeah.
I still think it's when
It's for me, it's hygiene, bro.
for me it's when I
And even personality.
So for him it's body hair, for him it's hygiene and what?
Personality.
It-
Personality for him?
it doesn't mismatch in when I'm
Yeah.
speaking to the person and then
Yeah,
I
you
meet
can't
them.
be a different person on
And
it.
also with the hair thing, I think if the person already had it from before and I had seen it, it's fine. But suddenly if it was not there and then suddenly it's there,
Yeah.
then it's another thing altogether.
Yeah, I meant that.
Exactly.
Right. Do you guys prefer if the girl makes the first move?
Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
That goes
Yeah.
without saying, yeah.
Yeah.
Why? Because
Obviously, you're less in doubt.
No
Yeah,
fear of rejection.
You're less in doubt. You're
fear
just
of
like
rejection. I know
yeah.
not. The thing is, when you send, if I have to, if I don't know if that girl likes me, but I like her, I send her a signal.
Yeah.
Come up as a
The
creep.
problem is there are multiple signals coming from that side, and I don't know which one to
Yeah.
read. I can. She might tap me on the back, and I'm like, oh my god, she loves me. And then you don't know that she teaches you.
She might just play with your hair and
from
all like, oh
experience-
god.
From experience, even when the girl doesn't think of anything, like, you know, like anything can be there, they still give mixed signals. So,
The girl. Or the
yeah, the girl.
Yeah.
So if it's better.
And it's better, like with the rejection thing, it's better. Like if a girl asks me out, I can just say no, but then we can become extremely good friends. But I don't think that's.
that doesn't
And that doesn't work for guys. If a guy
Yeah.
asks a girl out,
And
the
she
girl
says,
says,
yeah.
let's be friends, and the guy like, ah, right, screw it, I'm going.
Or she says, what? Like, you'll get over it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then they
That's
give you
what-
shit like,
And girls confuse a lot.
yeah. So it's better to, you can ask us out. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
We all are single.
That's it. I don't know what it is.
Single like.
He is very much.
He's very single. Rajasthan. Dry.
Brian that I feel now.
Oh god. When you sext, why? Sorry.
Sext.
When you sext, why do you guys still keep the pictures?
Samartha like. Can you
Yeah, like
You wanna
text
answer,
me,
you can answer.
Some girl 1 year ago and you still have the pictures today.
Yeah.
Matlab you-
Depends. Yeah. Some people remove it. Like I remove it. Yeah. Your picture I keep. Yours is too important.
Yeah, but I don't know. Like,
It depends if you're still dating.
Still dating.
If you're still
People keep
People
pictures
keep-
without date, like with.
Yeah.
We're dating
If
also.
I'm dating, I'll keep it.
But when you're not dating, when she's your ex,
Doesn't matter.
yeah, but
Depends on.
Depends on every individual.
Yeah.
Maybe for the satisfaction.
yeah, some people do it for that, but I wouldn't keep it up at least because what if the current one goes through?
That depends on how fast you're going on to the next one.
Yeah. When you move on, like,
You have some answers. Infallibly.
he's gonna leave it out.
Chal, next.
Okay. Do you guys always expect to have sex when we get into a relationship? What if the girl isn't ready?
Get me closer.
Oh,
But I'm really nervous.
Yeah, you go first.
what is it?
She doesn't want to have tea, okay.
Do you guys
I
always
respect-
expect to have sex when you get into a relationship? Huh?
No.
Huh?
Expect like forever.
Yeah.
I
Not-
expect first, but it's
Yeah,
just
I
wrong
mean,
with my
she,
sex.
yeah.
And expectation fall down.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
When I'm talking.
Okay, Craig, got it.
I mean, if she's not cool with it, okay. I respect her decision.
You respect.
Yeah, but are you still
Yeah.
going to keep dating her?
Yeah, if
Yeah,
you
that's
actually
okay.
love that
Yeah,
person,
I
then you
would
be with her, no?
like I would wait. but then
कल रात को तो क्या हुआ?
if it goes above and beyond what
गले में
I can do as a human, I get in no world is it a bad thing, but
Yeah.
then you just decide, okay, it's enough. Like I tried, but it's enough. So your
Give it some
decision-
time,
You,
after.
like yeah, you can stand on your decision. I can stand on mine. Can
What about a zero decision?
so you that's what now. If she wants to, if she is not comfortable, it could be multiple reasons like the environment around her, her past,
Yeah.
Maybe you know past.
Maybe she's
Not
not
very
comfortable.
sure.
possibly.
What's that? It's my life. Yeah, it wants to be a part of it.
So then.
Oh. Hey, wait, fucking pauses. Fucking audience is there. What?
Yeah.
No,
Live audience.
What?
you have to come here and
Hey guys, that's all for part 1 of this video, but part 2 is coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff, and most importantly, stay tuned for part 2 because we'll be introducing one more member of the group.